Hello student, I'm Shrimati Anita Algunte. Welcome to my channel Edu program. I'm your English subject teacher teaching you here English in very easy way. Today we shall see appeal leaflet. We have appeal leaflet for our study for 11th standard as well as for 12th standard. So in 11th standard we are studying this appeal leaflet. Again we have for a 12th standard also. Now the student, those who are studying in 12th standard, they have to keep in mind that whatever we have studied in 11th standard CS topics, we have here again in 12th standard. So one of them is appeal leaflet. What is a leaflet, or you can say that what is a appeal leaflet? Appeal leaflet means you have to pursue people by making ad to create social awareness about social problem among people. It is a way to canvas people's mind. So here we are seeing that what is appeal leaflet. Appeal leaflet means you have to pursue a people. Pursue a people means how to change a people. You have to follow people. Means you have to make people to follow. तुम्ही लोकांना एखादी गोष्ट करण्यासाठी प्रवृत्त करायचे. मग ती कोणती गोष्ट? मेकिंग एन ऍड टू क्रिएट अ सोशल अवेअरनेस. सामाजिक जी जाणीव आहे ते करून देण्यासाठी, आणि स्पेशली सामाजिक जाणीव कशाविषयी? दॅट इट इज रिलेटेड टू social problems among people. So we are facing so many problems. Social problems are there. Then what kind of social problem are there? You can say that related to health is there, or you can say that man-made and natural calamities are there. So we have to solve that problems through creating awareness among people. माणसाने तयार केलेले प्रॉब्लेम असू दे किंवा निसर्ग निर्मित असू दे, या प्रत्येकाची एक समस्या आहे. त्या समस्याच्या विषयीची जाणीव माणसांना करून देणे, त्यातनं सोल्युशन फाइंड करणे, त्यासाठी धडपडणे, हा एक भाग आपण लिफलेटद्वारे करतो. मीन्स इट इज अ वे टू कॅनव्हास पीपल्स माइंड. लोकांचं जे मन आहे ते परिवर्तन करणं किंवा ते एखादी चांगली गोष्ट करण्यास आपण या लिफलेटद्वारे भाग पडतो. लिफलेट मीन्स ऍक्च्युअली इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ ए स्मॉल ad we write on a small page, on a single page. एका छोट्याशा पानावर तयार केलेली एक छोटीशी ऍड असते की जी त्या ऍड द्वारे आपण पीपलला वी कॉल और वी अपील ऑल पीपल. आपण लोकांना आवाहन करतो. अपील मीन्स आवाहन करणे, बोलवणे. वी कॉल पीपल टू पार्टिसिपेट अँड टू ट्राय टू that come and to join for that particular workshop or to seminar, to rally. We pursue them through this. लोकांना आपण त्यातून ते भाग, म्हणजे एखादी रॅली, एखादा सेमिनार किंवा एखादा वर्कशॉप जॉईन करण्यासाठी आपण भाग पाडतो की ज्यातून माणसांना आपण एक सामाजिक जाणीव निर्माण करत असतो. सोशल प्रॉब्लेम्स लाईक यू कॅन से देअर रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ. So if it is related to health, we organize seminar. Except that we organize seminar about related to education also, as well as you can say that a seminar related to any good diet also. So many are there. Then blood donation camps we organize. So camps, such camps that by organizing blood donation type of camp, we creating kind of an awareness among people. ब्लड डोनेशन सारखा कॅम्प आपण ऑर्गनाइज करतो, माणसांमध्ये जाणीव निर्माण करतो की हाऊ इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट ब्लड डोनेशन इज देअर अँड हाऊ इट विल हेल्प अस इन फ्युचर ऑल्सो. आपल्याला सुद्धा ते भविष्यात कसं मदत करू शकेल. Then collecting of fund or rally. Fund, we collect a fund. Means for example, earthquakes are there, flood situation. Although you can see that now this year we have experienced a pandemic. So for the sake of pandemic also, that we have helped so many people in the form of money, in the form of grocery, in the form of clothes. So many things are there. So we organize rally on bike, by car, by walk, on bicycle. So this kind of cleanliness rally companion. So to keep our surrounding clean. So many companions, not only cleanliness, but companion of planting of trees is there. Companion related to prohibition of, you can say that kind of bad habits, की वाईट सवयी असतात त्याच्यापासून प्रवृत्त कसं म्हणजे की परावृत्त कसं होणं त्याच्याविषयी आपण करतो. सेव्हिंग ऑफ एन्व्हायरमेंट की यासारखे म्हणजे की यासारख्या जो प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात की त्या प्रॉब्लेमशी रिलेटेड आपण सेमिनार, कॅम्प्स, रॅली, कंपॅगन करत असतो. तर यासाठी एक ऍड तयार करतो आणि ती ऍड आपण लिफलेटद्वारे तयार करतो. Then example, if you see here, now here is one example. Through this example, we shall learn that how to write the leaflet. Now you are a member of your Young India Club of your area and you have arranged a rally for the Blind Relief Fund. Prepare a leaflet appealing for generous donation with the help of the following points. की तुम्ही आहे तुमचा एक क्लब आहे मुलांचा आणि यंग इंडिया क्लब की त्याच्या आधारे तुम्ही काय करत आहात की ब्लाइंड रॅली म्हणजे की ब्लाइंड मुलांसाठी फंड कलेक्ट करत आहात. तर तो फंड कलेक्ट करत असताना की तुम्ही लिफलेट कसे लिहाल, लोकांना कसं अपील कराल की दे मस्ट जनरस डोनेशन, डोनेट जनरसली, उदारपणे त्यांनी कसे त्याप्रमाणे दान द्यावं हे आपण सांगू शकतो. Now see here, in the examination the question will be given to you and as well as the point. So with the help of this point you have to write a leaflet. Now here is what are the points are here. See, use slogans, ब्रीदवाक्य तयार करायची. Declare gifts, means suppose that so many times that we have to motivate people or we have to give them some gifts and by some of the people attracts by the gift to donate donation. बरं आता गिफ्ट देऊन लोक अट्रॅक्ट होतात. वी कॅन यूज लॉट्स ऑफ आर what at creativity or innovative ideas to collect fund कलेक्ट करताना आपण innovative ideas use करू शकतो. Then time, place of the rally, then means at what time you are organizing rally, on which from which place you are starting, via which place you are taking, chief guest of the rally. Okay, then chief guest means who will be the guest for to inaugurate the rally. Then make an appeal, so again you are calling the people to join and to participate in or to donate it. Add your own point or idea, so you can add your additional points. Now remember that while you are writing this appeal leaflet, there are so many points, especially that through some of the examples we shall see that what are the points are there. Now here see that here are the few points, so through other examples you will get the another points. How can we add that another points in the leaflet, you will come to know that. Now here see that example. Now what? Grand BRF Relief Fund Rally. This is the title of the leaflet. BRF means that the Blind Relief Fund. So they here. So this is your title, and so you have organized it. Now see here your leaflet. See that help needy. So this is your slogan. Ki garzunna madad kara. Slogans, you can use any poetic line also or some attractive slogan. एखादी attractive ब्रीदवाक्य तुम्ही तयार करू शकता किंवा वापरू शकता. कुठेतरी अभ्यासलेलीच असावी नव्हे. You can use your own creativity to write a slogan. Fabulous gifts to be given. Here we have a point there how to attract people. So the help needy, and you are giving you are telling that fabulous gifts to be given to that. Come one, come all. This is called appealing. You are appealing people, means you have used the sentence or the words to appeal people. Come one and come all. की तुम्ही इथं अपील केलेलं आहे की या सगळेजण या आणि जॉईन व्हा. While you are writing the points in the leaflet, that we don't need that it should be the whatever the sequence you have given in the question that should be there. No, according to your sequence you can present. जसे प्रश्नामध्ये पॉइंट्स दिले त्याच्या पद्धतीनेच मांडणी केली पाहिजे असं नाही, पण ते पॉइंट्स सगळे तुम्ही काय करू शकता त्या लिफलेट मध्ये तुमच्या क्रिएटिव्हिटी प्रमाणे तुम्ही यूज करू शकता. Now I have written here first help needy, fabulous gifts to be given, and come one and come all is given there, written there. Then two, to whom, to where to come there? Yes, to Shahu Hall, Kolhapur on 25th December 2018. So this is the past one. I have prepared it, and at 8 a.m. So when the time is also given here. Then Vice Chancellor will lead the rally. Okay, so he is a chief guest. Donate generously. Again, we are appealing there. So these are the appealing lines. Then to what? Donate generously to the noble cause. Again, it's appealing point. Make this rally successful. Contact. Now this is an additional point. This is what? Additional point, contact. So the contact what? Pradeep Madi mobile number we have given there. And the one more additional point is here, logo. We have taken a logo or the picture we have drawn here. So this kind of picture you can draw in the leaflet. Now remember that don't use any colorful pencil or colorful sketch pen whenever you are writing this appeal leaflet in the examination. You can use their pencil and pen. By using pencil and pen and proper use of a font, तुम्ही लिखाण जे आहे, अक्षर आहे, लहान मोठं असं काढून त्या ठिकाणी ते जे लिफलेट आहे ते अट्रॅक्टिव्ह बनवू शकता. इट इज कॉल्ड द प्रेझेंटेशन. अँड वॉट एव्हर द अदर पॉइंट्स आर गिवन टू यू what that cover that all points here. So this is a leaflet related to the relief fund, or you can say that rally. One more example I'm showing you here. This is related to environment. So the save the earth. Save the earth, this is your slogan. I have taken a picture that human being's hand is there, that hands are protecting earth, means we are saving earth. This picture I have taken, inserted here, so that you can draw such a kind of picture. You can use any idea that how to save your earth, okay, related to it. Now here you can see that a slogan I have written, or this is also a slogan, but through this poetic line I have explained here how earth is suffering. Now see, mother earth is gasping for breath, trees are drying, the rivers are running dry, tons of garbage and chemicals dumps disfigures the beautiful earth. Okay, so here means in this point you can come to know that how the earth is suffering. So again we have written here appealing line, join with us to save mother earth and be a part of this campaign. Okay, now what are the do's, how to do there? Tree plantation, means our seed bank is there, green earth and scheme that of the year, our journal Vana Rakshan. Then donate generously to our seed bank. Contact XYZ from 12th class A for more details. So this in this way that have written here, presented a leaflet there. So when you write this kind of content, so you make a box. Within that box you must write this leaflet. अकॉर्डिंग टू युअर स्टफिंग, जे काही मांडत आहात त्या मांडणीनुसार तुम्ही तुमचा जो बॉक्स आहे किंवा रेक्टँग्युलर बॉक्स, स्क्वेअर बॉक्स, व्हॉट एव्हर, सो you can use your idea in any way and can means this is a kind of a leaflet, and within that leaflet you are putting your idea. That is the thing here. Next example we shall see there. You are the secretary of your society and you have organized a health seminar for the society people. Write an appeal leaflet with the help of following points. तुमची सोसायटी आहे आणि तुमच्या सोसायटीतल्या लोकांसाठी तुम्ही हेल्थ सेमिनार ऑर्गनाइज केलंय, तर त्याच्यावर लिहा. मग पॉइंट्स काय दिले? अट्रॅक्टिव्ह स्लोगन, persuasive appeal, logo. Now see that logo, this point is additional. Means in add your own point, that what kind of points you can add there, you will come to know through these all examples. Time, venue and guest, add your own point. So these are the points, and these points we have to what that include in our leaflet. आपल्याला leaflet मध्ये हे add करायचे आहेत. मग लक्षात ठेवा, पहा, स्लोगन, अपील, लोगो, टाइम, व्हेन्यू and add your own points. Now let's see. Now this is related to today's situation, that is pandemic, related to pandemic. And what is here? So yeah, food is health. What is that? Food, the healthcare. Okay, so this thing is there. Nowadays everybody is running, no time to eat, constant busy. When feel hungry, we eat snacks, fast food, but it affects to body. And we rush to doctor, but keep medicine away. We have organized a health seminar in our society. So it's very in easy way how presented here, means what is situation and how to be alert about an health, uh, about a health there. So the keep medicine away. We have organized a health seminar in our society. When on, now see, this is a kind of a appeal, you can say, there situation. This is slogan, then this is also a slogan, keep medicine away. Then again we are appealing here. What is appeal is there? We have organized a health seminar in our society. When on 2nd October 2020, 5 p.m. The time is given there. Guest, who's the guest? So the guest is that nutrition Dr. Rujita Divekar. Come all, join everybody. So the contact Mrs. Alkunte as AS, uh, then mobile number has given there. Now I have written logos have given. Logos actually I have given related to the diet, that apple and the grapes picture I have drawn here or the inserted here. So you can draw a picture of a thali or any a thali with a chapati, rice, and this kind of that. You can use your own creativity related to this subject. So this is what called a leaflet. So it is related to the health. Now let's see that today's situation. Make an handout or COVID-19 with the help of the following points. I have written here handout. So in the examination might be they can the there will be the word like a handout. Handout असा शब्द पण असू शकेल. Then see here logo, attractive slogan, do's. Do's means what to do. Do's to take a precaution. काय precaution घ्यावे लागतील. Do, sometimes they will ask you do's or sometimes they will ask you don't. Appeal people means you call people and you tell people and add your own points. These are the points there. Now how to present this point? Let us see. Here, now see. This is our leaflet. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. This is a very famous slogan nowadays. Now I have inserted logo. Logo means picture I have inserted here. Now this is your slogan. Slogan आहे. आणि इथे I have written that the things related to appeal. Appeal point. This year is really testing time for all of us. It is necessary to be hygienic. Pandemic COVID-19 disturb social, financial, and mental health. Let's decide to take care of ourselves. Okay. Now this is what kind, it is a kind of an appeal here, or you can that making alert people about the situation. Now what is, so take precaution means do's are here. You can write the word do also, do's also. I have written here, so take precaution. Precaution, use sanitizer, use mask, eat healthy food, do exercise to increase immunity, or you can say that boost immunity, maintain social distance. These are the do's. Everybody keep in mind all these instructions and keep yourself away from this pandemic effect. This is an addition point I have done here. So inserted picture are there, a lady with a mask, and that picture related that a person hand washing lungs affected by corona virus, and a social distancing picture is there. This is a corona's picture. So such a kind of picture you can use and can word that make a appeal leaflet. So this is the way to write an handout of a appeal leaflet or write an appeal leaflet. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.